my god. You're so awesome, Lawrence Lim.
It's Lawrence Lim with the W.
Would you travel to Calgary more if you didn't have to drive and could make it in a fraction of the time? One company in Alberta this week trying to drum up support for its ultra-high-speed transportation technology. Transpot says it could create a corridor between Calgary and Edmonton, which would see travelers move between the two cities in just 30 minutes.
Could this be the future of travel in Alberta's busiest corridor? A rocket-shaped vehicle shuttling passengers through a futuristic track between our province's two largest cities in as short a time as it takes to fly between Calgary and Edmonton.
Many people from the province are driving that highway several times per month or per year, I would say. And the corridor will follow the highway too, and which is pretty straight.
And a stop in Red Deer along the way?
Yeah, so the scenario would be to have 4 stops. To start behind the City Hall in Calgary, so Calgary downtown. 1 stop at the airport in Calgary, 1 stop in Red Deer, and the last one at the Edmonton airport. So
we're asking people to be on the lookout for a man who robbed a store. We do have his description. Can we take that? Let's take his description. Oh, and now I'm getting word that police actually caught this guy.
The subway with the speed of the aircraft. So not only the speed being, I would say, one of the major benefits, but also the convenience. So you don't have any more the stress of missing your aircraft or missing your train and having to repay a flight ticket down the road. So that's kind of being a big game changer compared to conventional transportation mode.